Oh man, oh man, oh man. Watch out for this latest scam. I'm here, the CyberGuy, and I have all the scam alerts and ways to protect yourself from cyber attacks, plus great tech tips over at cyberguy.com. Be sure to sign up for my free newsletter to get the CyberGuy report right into your email inbox. The Better Business Bureau is warning about a new scam that's going to trick you into thinking you've received a large invoice from PayPal or Geek Squad. First, you'll receive an email that says that you owe a substantial amount of money that you had no idea you owed. They'll attach an invoice to their message, and on it, they will list a customer service number to call if you suspect any problems. The real scam, however, is that the customer service number is a big fake. Scammers are hoping that you're going to panic over the unrecognized charge, call the customer service number to sort things out, and that is when they're going to get you. They're going to be on the other end of that call continuing the con, and they'll likely offer you a refund through your bank account. Unfortunately, a number of people have fallen for this and unknowingly handed over their financial information to a hacker. Don't do it. My tips that you can use to avoid a scam like this fake invoice one: if you receive an email about a charge you do not recognize, no matter the amount, this could be a potential scam. Don't automatically pay the amount requested. Next, if you were expecting an invoice from a legitimate company, ask them ahead of time how and when they're going to send that invoice so you're prepared for what to look out for in your inbox. Do not click a link or call a number from within an email or text, especially one that you did not request. Open Google in a new window and search this company's legit contact info if you think there could be a chance that it's real. If you think you've been scammed, contact your bank or credit card company to report fraud immediately. Report the scam to the FTC, and if you've given away personal info like a social security number, head to identitytheft.gov and follow the steps there. Want to learn how to protect your identity? Head to cyberguy.com/identitytheft, or simply head to my website and search identity theft. And while you're there, sign up for my free newsletter.